do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight.
So the box is a 35-degree angle type, so that it can be fixed on the wall at this position. That will be firing down to the listener directly. We are using a 302HI 6.5 inch 165 mm at 300 watts and 45 watts RMS. Sensitivity at 91 dB, 4 ohms speakers at a affordable price. So we can open it and see what's inside, how it is packed. It says 4,000 rupees MRP, but that's not the exact price while you are buying from Amazon. It costs only a pack for 2,000 something else, and this is the model they pack it. See that? It's one of the speaker and another one is inside. Now we can open it like this. So this is the cone with a tweeter at the center with a diameter of 6.5 inch. You have all the details over here. You can check for reliability and reviews or something else if you need using that data. Now I'll be fixing the speaker on the box and we will check it out. Wired. Here I am using Recron sheet as the damping material inside. Just one layer. I am using only one layer. You can use the ready-made speaker grills or you can use one like this. Yes, how's it? It looks like a line array speaker. So this is the left, right and surround left, surround right speaker. So let's check it using an NCS music. I have connected one section as series to 8 ohms and we will check it out now using an STK amplifier.
To kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Set low volume.
All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So how will it feel when we add a subwoofer also? Okay.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weigh the person you are.
So that's it. You know something, I have not used any EQ. I usually use a flat response to check my speakers, check any speakers. So comment below your opinion, your suggestion. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing if you like to watch more of my videos. Thank you.
Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. Didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the bin, I was covered in the tidal wave, But I'm a fighter, trying to take me down, I'm going higher.